Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to know which Mac you have because boot steps differ. Once ready, shut down completely. Don't just log out. If you have an Intel Mac, you will use keyboard combos. If you have Apple Silicon, you will use the power button. Make sure your Wi-Fi credentials and admin password are handy so recovery can access online resources. Now power the Mac on and prepare to use the specific startup action for your model. Start immediately with the next step. On Intel Macs, press the power button, then hold Command and R together until you see the spinning globe or Apple logo. This launches recovery locally. Once done, you'll see the Mac OS Utilities window. On Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until startup options appear. Select options and continue. If recovery prompts for Wi-Fi or Apple ID, connect and sign in so Disk Utility can access firmware or internet recovery resources. Then choose Disk Utility from the Utilities list to proceed. In Disk Utility, pick the physical disk or specific app's container to inspect. You'll see First Aid, run it to check and repair common file system issues. If you must erase, choose the correct scheme and format, Apps for modern Mac OS Extended for older versions, and confirm. Once repairs or erasure finish, quit Disk Utility and restart the Mac normally. If the disk is healthy but Mac OS is corrupted, use Reinstall Mac OS from
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.